My name's Joyce Sidopoulos, and I'm one of the co-founders at MassRobotics. We are the largest independent robotics innovation center in the world. We are dedicated to accelerating robotics technology, commercialization, and adoption. MassRobotics' mission is to support startups. So we provide them the tools and the workspace that they need to accelerate and grow. We have a prototyping shop with a CNC, a laser cutter, a water jet, 3D printers. We also do a lot of programming. So SOLIDWORKS has been a supporter of MassRobotics from the beginning. From before we even had a physical location. They provide software tools for the startup. So most every startup, if they're coming out of college, they know SOLIDWORKS because they've learned it in their mechanical engineering class. Robotics is very capital intensive. So having access to SOLIDWORKS for the first year complimentary is a big deal to these startups. The startup success is our success. So we are obsessed with helping them reach their goals and be successful. So one of our startups called Clio Robotics, they are making a small drone that is safe for indoor use, so no exposed propellers. So it's been doing that in SOLIDWORKS and the simulation in SOLIDWORKS. SOLIDWORKS is really a foundational technology and solution that they can use to help them get through all those hurdles before they actually take a piece of metal and bend it or cut it out with a CNC machine. Dassault in general is amazing. We are also part of La Foundation, and they support us in some of our STEM programs. One in particular is called the Jumpstart Girls Fellowship Program. So we're having our 5th anniversary of being supported by them for this girls program. So the girls program is all about providing an inclusive, diverse workforce, providing them with the tools they need to go on and study and become engineers. So Dassault has been supporting us for 5 years now, and we're just about at 100 girls served. Last time we did our ecosystem map, we had just over 500 robotics companies within the greater Boston area. So there's no place in the world that has 500 companies. So think about the web it's providing for expertise in robotics.